Hi, today I have a very cool lock for you guys. It's a Dorma DC501, it's a model number, and it's a 7-pin lock. As you can see, for the key, pretty wild beading. So first, fifth and seventh pin are pretty short, and long one for the third and the sixth one. So yeah, interesting beading. And Dorma is currently owned by Kaba. So yeah, headquarters in Germany, but this locks is very similar to ASA 700 because of the similar key pins, similar driver pins, and counter mill on the core. So if I pick it, I will show you. So yeah, let's start picking it. 1 nothing, 2 nothing, 3 nothing, 4 nothing, 5 nothing, 6 nothing, 7 small click or crunchiness, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Yeah, I think I set the number 7. Going back, 4 6 nothing, 5 click, and plus on top of that the key pins are, I think, tempered, so I need to set a couple of them multiple times. So yeah, I think I set now pin number 6. I feel small turn on the core, but nothing concrete, because for this lock the first thing that you need to do is go in the full set, and that full set is a deep one because of the pins that are drivers that are yeah, Christmas tree like. So, and after that you can start picking and go with the counter mill, but do a counter rotation and yeah, pick the pins and escape the counter milling. So yeah, I'm trying to talk and concentrate on this lock, because going in that full set is tricky, and after that coming from that full set is and that counter rotation is, you need to be very careful. And when you include the beading, that is a wild. So yeah, combination of pins, it's doable. I picked it a couple of times, yeah, a couple of days ago, but yeah, this is like trying to reproduce it on camera, and sometimes some of the locks are camera shy, so we'll see how it goes. I'm still trying to somehow go in that default set. 5 and 8 are giving me hard time. Everything else is like loose. So yeah, I'm not trying to set or overset some of the pins, because the key pins are bomb like. So if you overset something and you're stuck in that bomb like pin and you're in full set, in that case, yeah, it's very hard to go. You go back, you need to reset the whole lock and then again start picking it. So I hope I'm not in that, because I think pin 7 is giving me problem. But if I overset pin 6 trying to set pin 7, in that case, yeah, I need to go and reset the whole lock and start all over again. That's not a problem, but you cannot know if you're in that full set until you're till the end and there is no pins talking to you. So in that case, you probably are in that strange position that you cannot go back Yeah, you can reset it, but that's not how you want to do it. So I think now, yeah, I'm in a deep faucet now finally, but I hope I did not overset something. So let me see. I cannot. Yeah, so let me try one. It's giving me counter rotation. I think I set pin number 1. No, 2. I think I set pin 1, 2, but yeah, I touch pin number 3 for nothing. 5, maybe that's a 6. So let me start from pin 1, nothing, pin 2, yeah, click and deeper faucet. So, and again click from 1. So 1 and 2, 3, nothing, 4. 4 is giving me a think counter rotation. Click, strange click from 4. 5, nothing, 6. I know if 6 is giving me counter rotation. Yeah, I think I set pin 6, so I think I'm close, but yeah, 1. Yeah, finally we're open. That's great. Okay. Yeah, tricky pick, but 7 pins plus on top of that all the pins are, as you can see now, you will see that all the pins are, so yeah, different and in some cases special ones. So I need a shim, yeah, and because I do not have the plug is bigger than the follower, I will show you what's the best way to disassemble this kind of locks. So it's a C-clip. So let me, come on. Yeah, this is I think my first 7-pin lock pin tumbler lock picked on camera. So yeah, cover is a bit how to say, a bit easy to pick, meaning that the counter milled in comparison to Assembly 700 is a bit different and easier in my case, in my opinion. So the best way to disassemble this lock is to just put the key and put it key to block all the driver pins, and then you can, if you can, shim it, because sometimes it's because of the awesome tolerance for the Dorma and for the ASA, you cannot even put the shim or put it like, yeah, I think this is enough, like first couple of pins, maybe not. Yeah, let me try to, I don't want to ruin this because this is the first time. I can do a different thing. I can probably, give me a second. Usually this is for me how it's working. Yeah, the shim is not needed, but yeah, here's the pins, the 7 pins, you can see all of them. So let me try to, and I will show you the body. Yeah, this is the, how it's called, the drill protection is coming out, but yeah, I will show you a lot of drill protection on this lock. Yeah, and this is like very nice lock, and you can see the pins. Sorry, let me rearrange it a bit. Bomb like pins in 5 from 7. Here's the drill protection. 4 from this side and 2 from this side. Come on, focus, nothing from other side. And that contouring, it's a bit different. It's like it's not like straight like asa, it's like ball like. It's not like I don't know how to explain it. So if you see this is a keep-in, but doesn't matter, it's stuck in here. So I think first, second, third, fourth, all the chambers, no, except the, I don't know if you can see, but except the 7th chamber, all first 6 are countermilled on both sides. So and I hope you can see it. So let me put this like, oh, I'm trying to, yeah. So the first one is as you can see, it's a Christmas tree. The second one, Christmas tree. The third one, it's a temper standard. The fourth one, it's a Christmas tree. The springs are the same, so let me try to let me go on the other side. 7th one is a standard tempered. 6th one is a Christmas tree, and the fifth one is a tempered. So let me grab all the springs. Yeah. And nothing done on the body. So all the modifications on the core, not modification, it's by default countermilling from the core, the body drill protection on this side. So yeah, heavy body. So yeah, I will try to put it like this and give you a close-up. Come on. So first, second, fourth and sixth pin, they are bomb-like key pins, and first, second, fourth and sixth drive pins are Christmas tree, and the third, fifth and seventh position, they are standard but tempered. So pretty nice lock. My first 7-pin lock picked and got it. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.